you can, everybody, get ready!
To start strong. Here's the answer.
You were saying Patrick?
He now meditates when that happens. These two had an hour practice yesterday. They actually played a simulated match, and Alex was
on an extremely consistent basis are able to play more regularly. I mean, that was a great example of taking the ball early. He saw that Andrey will play. Definitely the thing that can bring him to new heights if he finds a way to be better at that.
Do you think it's improved at all? On what scale?
I think, I mean, it might sound strange, but I think that Andrey has tried as much as he could to stay, to not explode sometimes. It has hurt him.
Yeah.
Because it took away some of his fire that is so important for his game.
Bravo. As in, it was a lot of energy.
I know it sounds weird because, of course, anticipation from Andrey, who expected, I mean, on almost a penalty for Minaur. He stayed on the right side. Here, it's completely open cross, and he goes down the line for the players. Oh, yeah.
Dimanov's gone big on serve there, hasn't he?
13-12.
Rublev takes the first quarter. Alex, we have Patrick with us here. Do you want to ask Patrick anything after that first quarter?
Yeah. Why did I miss that serve?
Tell him.
All about it. He's always able to bounce back, which is such an incredible quality. Score whether it's for a practice or for a match. So, I mean, all the players go through tough moments in their careers. So that's probably one of those moments for him.
14.
But his attitude will give him there without talking.
Yeah.
I was going to say, sorry.
7-3.
I'm talking about the, sorry.
We tend to catch it because we are interviewing them after the quarter.
The speed of Alex de Minaur, corner to corner, just when you thought that was Rublev's point.
8-7. De Minaur.
He looks in peak condition.
I have a question for you guys.
Sure.
How do you deal with players having to interview them when they don't want to talk to you, and sometimes?
So yeah, sometimes it's tough. They catch you off guard a little bit.
And you have to keep those questions open if you can. Also, the other backup plan, Patrick, speak to the coach.
Yeah.
If the player's not giving you any play, now that he's frustrated.
Oh yeah, that's too good. Yeah. His face shows everything he feels.
Depth.
Oh, and that's, I mean, that's why I like Alex is so dangerous because he feels the
Andrey
moment
Rublev is using
and
his
suddenly,
bonus card.
because I think his heart is beating so fast because of the rallies. It's difficult to keep your head cold. Oh my God, the intensity of Alex now is crazy.
14-8.
He's completely like
Minaur.
on Andrey's back. He feels that so much, he feels the blood.
Yeah. And you can see down the other end, his opponent is doubled over, struggling mentally and physically. Get one of the kids in. He loves the kids.
Okay, we are tied at 1. That bounce-back ability of the Australian, the world number.
Cross on the shot when you're running. Oh my God, such a good shot. And again, Alex was moving forward.
And it's probably a good thing that that second quarter finished, because in that state, I'm imagining as a player for Minaur, everything's working. You're not really...
And in a way, backhand to backhand, Andrey is a bit better going cross and then down the line. Used to be. And I'm wondering if he didn't spend a lot of time working on his backhand, forgetting a little bit that his forehand is his major weapon. I've seen that a lot with other players in the past. You have an incredible, in a way, you're hurting much less your opponent.
No way. Forehand, backhand, Andrey Rublev. How did Minaur get that round the post as well? Look at this defense.
But the anticipation of Andrey was great. He felt that Andrey would try, that Alex would.
Steps in, attack mode.
He stepped in before the shot.
Rublev in the market for 3. Ooh. No let rule.
Alex de Minaur is using
Saw a little
his
bit of
bonus
frustration
card.
from Minaur there in the corner. He plays his card.
Quarters complete.
Andrey Rublev secures the third
16-12.
quarter. He is 1 quarter away from qualifying the semi-finals here at the UTS Grand Final in London.
Losing it, it's
yeah.
2 different persons.
Alex was right, by the way, Jenny. He defeated Rublev in the round robin. He also beat Taylor Fritz. Went all the way to the final. Next Gen ATP final, Stefanos Tsitsipas won in the end across 4 sets. And then 2 years later, Minaur.
Oh yeah, that's too good. Really good. Clearly, after winning this third quarter, Andrey started to really relax, and you feel to win this one, and he's looser in his shots, hits better angles.
5-2. Rublev.
Now give it on these 2 players. Let's hear it for Minaur-Rublev.
Liking it. Our final match of the afternoon. afternoon session.
A lot of back spin in this drop shot from Alex. There are some ups and downs.
Now.
Minaur set that up perfectly.
Está bien, hay que sacarlo de ahí, está bien.
Sensing those moments, isn't he?
It looks like it. Just shows how great a competitor he is.
Yeah. Oh,
Wow.
as is his opponent, though.
Really killed the hopes of Andrey, and now Andrey potentially can win 3. But this point. Oh, so good, so good.
12-all.
Now we have
That's the Rublo.
Yeah, it's long from Minaur. Andrey-Rublev hangs on in there in the first and fourth quarters. He wins those decisive deciding points. What a match between these two. Of course, there are winningest UTS Tour players, 2 titles each, and on that form alone, either or could win this grand final. But it's Rublev